What is going on, you all? John here, and as you all saw by the video intro, this is the project that I've been working on for the past couple of weeks. As you all know, the videos have kind of been slowing down because I've been working on two major projects. One was the animal tour at the school, and then this is the second one, which I'm very excited about. I've been working kind of hard on it, and soon she'll be ready to run. Yep, there's a video you all don't know I made, but 3 weeks ago, actually, I went to a Charleston car meet with one of my friends. He took me, and I just decided to record it, and it was a great experience. I really had, of course, when I decided to record, a plane decides to come in. Yeah, sorry about that. There was a plane, but as I was saying, I got really interested in cars after that, and so I decided, why not purchase one and work on it and see where we can go with her. She's pretty much good right now. I'm actually going to go over the things I've done to it and what still needs to be done, and so pretty much this will have its own video series. And my reasoning behind this is I'm going off to college, so there's not going to be as much opportunity for me to record straight animal content. And so there are still things for me to record, like the zoo, plenty of adventure sites, the rivers and stuff, but there's not going to be as much straight animal content. So I wanted to introduce a new style of content to the channel, which is going to be working on this car. This channel has my name on it, so I want to be able to pretty much just do whatever I'm doing and be able to record it. And so this is going to be the start of that. So yeah, let me give you all a walk down of what I've done to it and pretty much the state it's in right now. So yeah, like I said, let me give you all a little tour. It's starting to rain because it's the next day versus when I originally was recording this, but I also started working on it, kind of buffing this out, so you can see a really good difference between those two. But this is kind of the tour. The inside is really nice. There was actually a major thing I had to do to it, which is the first thing I had to get done, was get the key made. The key was stolen for the car originally, so the key, I had a friend that did it for me. He did it for $350 versus the dealership's quote of $800 and a private mechanic's quote of $450. I got a buddy of mine to do it $350. So that was kind of like the first big cost thing. And then I did this, haven't finished this yet, but it's a nice car, premium sound system. The inside has tint on it. We're gonna have to remove at least that tint. We'll probably just redo all of them and get it darker because right now it's colored, and inside's tan, just the basics pretty much. Cracked windshield, but that'll be easily replaced with the insurance. And then let me give you a look at the trunk. Pop the hood. There's the trunk. We got some goodies that came with it. 2 fold-out chairs, which we'll definitely be using. The Lexus mat on top of kind of like the hard floor bottom, and then a spare tire right there. So, oh yeah, and then a scissor jack, but we'll definitely be getting that replaced with a better jack, which is easier to use. Scaring Lucy. There we go. We're gonna have to get that little bit right there replaced. All the emblems and stuff I actually got. Let me go ahead and show you those. Not sure how well the camera's picking this up, but we got all the emblems to paint. That's going to be a video because we're going to black it all out. Fog lights and everything work. I did a video of that. I actually had to pop this one out and replace the light in this because it was all rotted out. But we did that. That's replaced. And then I'll show you under the hood. This is under the hood. Had to replace the battery terminals because those went bad. But and the oil filter obviously, but everything else pretty much is good. There's some minor problems. Coolant, had to flush all the coolant, all the oil, stuff like that, you know, regular maintenance. And then there's also a leak on the power steering fluid, but besides that, everything's good. She starts, she runs. I actually already drove her with this one in it with me. So yeah, that's the car. I'll actually show you her running. So yeah, you all, that's the car, that's the project, new one. Hope you all enjoy the video. I am super excited about this and can't wait to do the rest of the videos on it. Hope to catch you all in the next one. Peace.